Hey everybody, so I am making some bolognese or spaghetti sauce, and I got this 3D printed jar opener, and it does not bend your jars, so I thought I'd do a review of that, and I will post the email. You can order one. I got this from somebody in my canning group. They make them, so you can see the curve there and the little indent there. So you want to go to the widest point. That's what I've discovered with it. You don't want to try and do it where it gets skinny right here. So at the widest point between the top and your threads, just slide it on like that. Just put it on. And it makes it easy peasy. There's no damage to your lids. So if you're one of those who are wanting to reuse your lids, I know that's a no-no. So just putting it out there, people are doing it. They're hard to find. So these are good lids that I got from Lehman's before all of this started. So I have like 4 sleeves. I didn't know all this was going to happen. So I just wanted to share that. It looks like this. It's very friendly on your hands, especially if you have arthritis or anything like that, neuropathy. They're $10 and it included shipping. So I will post the information in the video down below. If you're interested, you can contact them and they will 3D print you a jar opener. So, and it's very lightweight. Like really light, like might weigh close to what the lid does. Really light, but it's sturdy, and it has a little hole right there so you can make a hook and hang it and whatever, or tie it onto something or your apron or whatever. So hope you all are doing well and staying safe and staying healthy, and I will see you all in the next video, which will be a prepper pantry meal with our homegrown tomatoes. So I will see you next time. Bye bye.